Siphinde sikubingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi iy'ndaba uyithole njengoba zinjalo. I-MK Party isibambe icebo elisetshenziswa i-ANC ukuthi lihlakaze izinhlelo ze-MK Party. Mina-ke angingalandi kakhulu. Ilunga le-MK Party indaba liyibeke kanje.
Revolutionary greetings, comrades. Asethekwini unathi Ngwenya lo eward 62 othongathi. Yabo ma comrades, into eyenziwa i-ANC isobala ukuthi okokuqala ukuthi ifuna ukuthi abantu bomkhonto wesizwe ne-leadership yomkhonto wesizwe idistracteke emsebenzini owenziwayo njengamanje. Abawazi kahle ukuthi uMsholozi umaster wayo, since he's the master of a chess game and also a political genius. So bayazi ukuthi njengamanje umkhonto wesizwe uyangena ugxilisa amageja phansi emhlabathini, ukhanda lento esibiza ukuthi ama-branch, ukhanda ama-structures ukusukela at a VD level, branch level, zonal or sub-regional level, regional level, provincial level and national level. So ukuze baphazamise lowo msebenzi noma lowo mgqiqo wenziwa umkhonto wesizwe nama-ground forces onke, ukuthi basifaka amacala ngapha nangapha and drag our leader into the mud, be it through the media and through the courts. Ukuya-ke e-court bafethu kuyaphazamiseka kakhulu because njengamanje we have to make arrangements of mobilizing forces to go to the court. Now leyo nto iphazamisa zonke inhlelo esingabe besinazo, because the moment kune-national program, it means you suspend all other programs that you might have prepared at a provincial level, regional level, zonal or sub-regional level, and also at a branch level. Leyo nto-ke iyawuphazamisa umgqiqo, my comrades, and that is exactly the intention of the NM. Secondly, uma ngabe i-ANC isisa enkantolo, that has to do with finance, comrades, because I mean we are using the top law firms in the country. We are using the top senior advocates. We are using advocate Taban Masuku, SC. We are using advocate Dalimpofu, SC. We are using also advocate Moses Kakane, SC. Those are top senior counsels in the country, senior advocates. So njengoba sisebenzisa bona, we are paying fortunes ukuthi sikwazi ukuwina ama-cases, and that is exactly what they want. They want to actually train us financially. Bafuna umkhonto ungabi namali, bafuna uMsholozi kube ukuthi akanamali at all. So that is an intention of the enemy, to make sure ukuthi ukuze i-MK ingakwazi ukukhula as a political party, they must cripple it ngalezi zinto zeyinkantolo, ngalezi zinto zokuthi basihlasele ngayo yonke indlela, balimaze i-image ye-organization ukuze basidistracte ekwenzeni umsebenzi we-organization. So konke lokho esikubonayo, even ngisho ne-case ukumdisciplina uMsholozi disciplinary, that's nonsense. The intention is to continue dragging uMsholozi ukuze public out there ibone uMsholozi njengomuntu oyinunu, njengomuntu omubi. Well, that perception or that narrative ifile because abantu base-South Africa njengamanje baku-stage is very critical in the revolution, where they are awake. You don't have to work much ukuthi utshela abantu base-South Africa ukuthi uMsholozi is the leader that we need at this point. Bonke abantu bavukile, and lokho kuvele ngokuthi bawuvotela umkhonto wesizwe, irrespective of all the attacks and the narrative that was driven ngomkhonto wesizwe. So thina kwethu is to continue fighting and making sure ukuthi sikhulisa umkhonto wesizwe, bese siba mindful-ke ma-comrades kule element yokubanga ikhundla. Yabona mangabe singanqoba leyo element, ma-comrades, sibe fair entweni ethi zicheck nawe uzibuke ukuthi are you equally capable na to take umkhonto wesizwe forward? Because enye izinto engasenza ukuthi singakwazi ukumove as umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi singabi honest thina njengama-members omkhonto wesizwe in terms of who must occupy positions in the organization. At this point where we are appointing as an organization, we haven't yet developed the mechanism of electing abaholi, meaning we haven't yet finalized i-mechanism ezosetshenziswa i-organization ukumisa noma ukukhetha ama-structures ukusukela phansi uzophuma phezulu. So while we are still in the process of interim leadership, akufuneke kube nomsindo okhuluma ngokuthi sekukhona abantu abafuna ukubanga zona lezi ezi-interim abazibona be-capable bona ukuthi bangaphatha bedlule abantu aba-appointwe organization okwesikhashana yathi run with this thing, we are trusting you with this responsibility, run with it until the 29th of May. And then after the 29th of May, we will dismantle or sizwabulala wonke ama-structures ama-interim ebese siqhubeka. Obviously then we knew that was not going to happen because the leadership will never allow a vacuum, because if you take away ama-interim structures kufanele kube ukuthi khona amanye ama-structures ozowafaka in place uma ngabe usukhipha ama-interim structures. Well, the organization after the 29th of May decided ukuthi no, awaqhubeka ama-interim structures because I think iwona azo leader i-transition to ama-structures akhethiwe abekwa ngokusemthethweni. But while we are waiting for that process, kufanele thina siqhubeke sisebenzele umkhonto wesizwe, senza abantu ba-understand ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uhluke kakhulu kune-ANC, uhluke kakhulu kunenkatha, uhluke kakhulu kune-EFF, uhluke kakhulu kune-DA, uhluke kakhulu for that matter nayo yonke nje inhlangano enye yake yabakhona. And any elements ala esivela khona angazama ukuzovuka kumkhonto wesizwe, we must deal with them very harshly. Elements of factionalism, elements of character assassination, all those elements fanele sidili nawo harshly so, because sakha iqembu labantu abamnyama elingekho infiltrated, elingekho captured by the white monopoly capital. And if we are going to be lenient in dealing with the elements that destroyed a lot of organizations like African National Congress, then we are going to find ourselves in the same predicament ANC ebhekane now. So it's our responsibility, all of us as members of Umkhonto Wesizwe, ukuthi sibe mindful of how the enemy actually attacks us and imapha ama-tactics ewasebenzisayo and be able to retaliate ngendlela eproper, singahlezi siya ngalaba silinde ngakhona kodwa sibe ney'ndlela zokudila nabo. So ngithi angiphawule nje lapho ma-comrade because siyabona ukuthi i-ANC yenzani, and unfortunately idila nongqondo inkunzi ehlula ukwakwa yakadadunusa umsholozi uncamalala mandla.